actually quite windy, so with the sun out it's nice, but with the wind not so nice. The wind chill is bad. So here we have the Roxor. I just wanted to talk today a little bit about the Radiance LED pods I got from Rigid, how I got them fitted, and just to show you guys what they look like. If you look, if you have the camera all leveled out, you see it's leaning a little bit to the left from the driver's perspective, so it's not leveled out. And what I had to do was actually mount this upside down, as you can see, so that I have this clearance here for the windshield if I have to tilt it open. I should say I really like the build quality. In here you have 3 wires. I haven't hooked up anything yet. Those are well terminated. I'll just have to do a minor work on them. Red is positive, black is negative, is ground, and then the white is for the backlight. So these have a backlight. You can see the circuit board in the back, and they were actually quite cheap, not so expensive. I got them off of eBay, but I think you can get them from Amazon at the same price. So, and the bracket to mount this on here, I got those from Max Anthony. He sells those and the prices are very good on those. So that's what the pods look like on the Roxor. I got the ones, this is the Rigid Radiance series with backlighting, and I got the one with the red backlight. All right, just to update you guys also, it looks like there's some Indian news websites reporting that the design that we saw earlier on the net might actually be the definitive design of the 2021 Mahindra Roxor. So yeah, it looks horrible, but it looks like that's what we're gonna be getting with the straight hood that comes all the way straight out here, straight body panel. So that's gonna be a little bit weird. It'll take some getting used to. And I think what those Indian websites are reporting is that it looks like the judge who was appointed to adjudicate on this case, his name is Elliot Cameron, a seasoned administrative law judge. He has made his ruling, and from what I could gather from these Indian websites was that it might be in favor of Mahindra Automotive North America. Of course, all of this is just based off of what I got from the internet, so take it with a pinch of salt. And of course, with anything that concerns judicial rulings, I would say we should be very cautious until the court, the full panel of the International Trade Commission makes a final ruling on this. So we should just be careful and be patient and see what is ultimately decided. On that note, I would have to add also that this is if this turns out to be in favor of Mahindra Automotive North America, that would be a very big win for the families of all those almost 1,000 workers who work at the Auburn Hills facility in Michigan, where they assemble the Roxor. Hopefully the ruling comes out sooner than later. That way those guys can get 1 or 2 paychecks in before Christmas season. 2020 has just been a horrible year, and we are all sitting here waiting on bated breath, hoping that the final ruling comes out, and hopefully in favor of the Roxor brand, because this is what we all love, and we really love to have this vehicle here in the United States. Many people have been asking for this basic setup, 4-wheel drive, stick shift, diesel engine, nothing more, just the basics. And it would be really great if this is once more available in the US market. All right, that's what I had to share with you guys. I still have the unboxing video which I haven't completed yet, so I will do the unboxing video to show you guys exactly what all is included in the box and how I went about installing this. Thanks for watching. See you guys on the next video, and till then, keep on rocksoring.